Hey guys, this is Trevor. I'm going to be showing you a video on how to use variables and data. So variables are a section within data. You can make a variable such as score. You can make it for all sprites or just for the sprite you want it to make. So I'm going to make this for all sprites. I'm going to name it score. But the variable we're going to be showing you guys how to use today is lives. So what you can start is whenever green flag is clicked, you can go into data, grab this set score.
Oh, and also, guys, keep in mind that score and lives are not the only variables. There's actually very, very, very many variables out there. I'm sure that you can find them by doing searching. But Trevor's just gonna be demoing lives and score.
Now, what you name the variable doesn't change what it does. It just changes what it labels up here in the top corner.
Yeah, how it's labeled, like how the player sees it.
So what I'm going to do is I'm going to set lives to 3 when the flag is clicked. You can change it to 5, 3, 26 if you wanted to.
Yeah,
Any number.
and variables don't do anything by themselves. You have to actually give them a function. So it doesn't really matter what you name the variable. Just you have to give it a function. Um, Just like with the broadcast messaging, it doesn't really necessarily do anything by itself. You just have to let it. Okay, so Trevor.
So I'm going to be showing you how to make it react to different things such as sprites whenever it touches other sprites. So sprite 2 is going to be the enemy, the yellow dot. So what I can do is I can go to when space clicked, when the start flag clicked, if then, you can go into sensing, find touching sprite 2, which is the yellow dots, put it in there. So if this cat is touching sprite 2, then what you can do is change lives, make it -1, and put it in the middle here. So if I restart the game, click this cat, and move it into the sprite, so I'm gonna have to. You do have to surround this with a forever in order for it to work, I believe. And now it's going. Okay. So right now I have a lot of negative lives that are going right now whenever I touch this. So what you can do is you can take this and then say wait until, go into operators, and you can go take not, wait until not touching sprite 2, and then repeat it in forever. What you can do if you have multiple enemies that you have, you can put the or in here, and you can put or in as many times as you want, and then in that one area you have as many sprites as not touching as you need to. So now whenever I go through the circle, it'll wait until I'm not touching it to take another life. So now I'm just going one life at a time. So now if I click this cat, I have to touch it 3 individual times to get my life to 0. Another thing you can do for despawning or respawning is you can do the start flag when that is clicked, go into data, you can do if Go into sensing. And put that in there. I believe you can put this in here so you have if lives.